What happens when a neutron star meets black hole? Neutron stars are stellar corps with huge mass confined in a very small radius, while black holes are even denser and have more mass. So, there will be a war of gravitational force between these two. So, in the tug-of-war of gravitational force between these two, neutron star will succumb. This is how the collision would look like. This collision will give birth to very intense and high-energy gamma rays. These radiations can be seen in the afterglow. Scientists have already observed these rays several times. A similar system has been observed. Observation suggests that the neutron star was stretched into a crescent shape as crumbs broke off. The black hole might have swallowed the bulk of the neutron star in one gulp, while the other chunks were consumed in the hours that followed.